Polygon or Matic has been a one coin wrecking army in the last 24 hours, rising by more than 52%. Currently, it's valued at $1.72. Now, if you have been following our channel, you would be knowing that Matic is one of our top favorite coins, and we picked it as one of our top 5 coins to look out for in May 2021. So in this video, we are going to do a technical analysis of the Matic coin, have a newer price predictions, and see what are the factors that are actually fueling this growth. So you definitely don't want to miss this video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. If you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to Telegram and join our Telegram family, Crypto Bulls Club. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you'd like to read about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies, head over to our website cryptobullsclub.com, wherein we post very interesting articles. Also, if you'd like to get an expert opinion on your portfolio or any other questions you have, you can click on the crypto consulting button on our website, which will take you to this page, and you can book a one-on-one session with our experts. Mind you, this will be a paid service. Now, let's jump on to the Matic USD chart. This is the Matic USD chart that we had plotted a few days back when someone from the community actually asked about Matic, and I promise I haven't touched this chart ever since. So there's one thing that I would like to show it to you right now. At that point of time, Matic was trading at around $1.35. So it was not long back, and we were actually within this candle. So it was actually on the 14th of May. So one important thing that I would like to show you here is, as of this point, our key resistance was at around $1.77. Okay. That was a critical level of resistance. And look, where did we make our all-time high? It was at $1.79. So we hit the resistance to the T and we actually came down. Now again, we are trying to move above it as well. Let's see if we are able to do that. I'll keep you guys posted on this one. Now, let's take a look at what is the new price targets, what is the new resistance areas that we have, given that we have broken above the previous one or actually clicked the previous resistance. We have actually created a new all-time high now. So if I have to talk about a support, right, because I strongly believe these kind of moves are actually followed by corrections of about 30 to 50%. Now, what would be a key support area? Our key support area as of this moment looks to me as $1.37. Now that is a major support area for us. If we break below it, then probably we can go to $1.23, and I don't think so that we might go to $1.10. Again, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. You need to do your own research before investing. If you're confused about doing your own research, we made a video. You can click the eye icon above my head right now and you can watch that video. So let's take an assumption as where a 30% correction would take us to. So a 30% correction from here would actually take us $1.23, which I believe is definitely on the cards. Okay. It's definitely on the cards. Also, the 20 period moving average is around that level at this point of time. So that is definitely on the cards. However, a 50% correction may take us all the way down to about 90 cents or so. I think, again, this could be on the cards, but then again, the chances of this happening are at this point of time is pretty slim. Now, why do we say that we need a correction? In the past, when we have seen that we have risen, we have actually corrected. How much did we correct by? Let's take a quick look on this movement that we had back in 9th of May. We corrected by approximately 26%. Then again, on the 12th of May, we corrected down to about 22% or so. and there were major corrections earlier as well, wherein we went up as high as 94 cents or so. So from 94 cents we actually corrected down to 67 cents, which again was a 30% correction. So I believe strongly, is a 30% correction is on the cards. It could be possible, but before that, a strong support is on the $1.37 mark as well. What about our next resistance? So first of all, our next resistance will be the new all-time high that we have made. After that, I believe a strong resistance would be the psychological level of $2, then the major resistance of $2.50 if we go to those levels again. Now let's take a quick look on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, what we are going to see is we are going to measure the stochastic RSI and just try to gather some momentum. Where is the momentum going? So the momentum, as we can see, is pretty high actually, and blue zone has actually crossed over the 80. It's currently at around 89. However, the red is at 71. So I believe there's a bit of room for us to grow further as well. However, on the weekly chart, what we can see is in a period of 3 weeks from 19th of April to this week, that is the week that started 10th of May, we have actually risen drastically. Look at the steep rise that the stochastic RSI had. So currently on the weekly, it's at around 81 level and the red is at around 53 level. So I believe there is a fair bit of room for us to grow. But then again, this is the first time that we are going in those zones as far as Matic is concerned. So it is all kind of where we say in prices a price discovery. This is a level discovery mode we are in currently. Now let's go on to the Matic BTC chart. So on the Matic BTC chart, there are a couple of things that I would like to highlight here. First of all, we are on the Matic BTC daily chart, daily time frame. One thing which is very clear, I think we highlighted this as well in one of our earlier videos, is we were actually forming a pennant right from the 30th of April right up to the 10th of May. Okay, so what is a tenet? A tenet is when we have lower highs and higher lows. Okay, so basically, lower highs, higher lows. In the middle, it's kind of a pressure cooker kind of a situation which generally bursts to the upside. We have mentioned this in the past. And let's take a quick look as to what our target was for Matic. Our target for Matic in the BTC chart was about 2731 satoshis, which we have broken easily now. And we are currently dealing at around the levels of 3500 satoshis. Now, another thing for here is to look at the support and the resistance on the BTC chart, which is very important. Someone was asking me in community that how do we measure the support and the resistance? We do that by simply taking the fib retracement. That actually helps us a lot. So as we can see here, the major support for us would be at around 2400 satoshis. If we break below it, then 2000 satoshis is on the cards. As far as the resistance is concerned, the first resistance would be at around 4375 satoshis, and if we tend to break above it, then a major resistance will be at around the 5410 satoshi mark. So these are a few things that we need to definitely keep in mind. Now I would like to take you to the weekly time frame and show you something very interesting. As far as the bull market support band for this one is concerned, so it's currently at around 664 to about 886, which is about 80% from the current levels. So this is the minimum downside risk that we always have during a bull run. So you definitely got to watch out for this particular correction if we have one. Now, so one of the important things that I would like to show you here is we had 5 straight weeks of green candles on the Matic BTC chart. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th week that we are running, and it seems highly unlikely that we might get a red candle. So the chances of this week closing on a green candle is very high. Now, is this the first time that has happened? No. Earlier, from the week of 4th of January, we actually got around 8 continuous weekly green candles. Okay, so from the 4th of January, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from 4th January up to the week starting of 22nd February, we got 8 green candles in a row, after which we got a red candle, and then we consolidated in this period for some time, then came this move again. Now, last time when we had these green candles, we grew by almost 900% over a period of 49 days or 50 days. We grew about 900%. Now let's take a quick measurement as to what percentage have we grown in this particular run that we are having. So we have risen almost the half of what we had done, right? So we had grown by about 900% earlier, and now we have grown about 450, so it's around 477, but yeah, it's almost half of what we had grown. What are the reasons for this thing? Couple of reasons. Number one, those were the initial days of the altcoin season, as we have mentioned in our video yesterday. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it in the description below. Also, you can click the icon above my head and you can view that. And the market cap has also risen drastically. What role does market cap has to play? So when a market cap actually increases, it actually means the volume and the size of that particular coin is on a rise. And we all know it is much easier to move a small thing much higher rather than pushing a large thing. So for example, you can take two balls, one rubber ball and one iron ball. You can throw them with the full same force. You will definitely see that the rubber ball will definitely go much higher as compared to the iron ball. The reason, again, the iron ball has much more volume and density. Okay, similar concept applies in trading as well. So when the market cap is higher, percentage move would be lesser as the day grows by. Now let's jump on to the Matic Ethereum chart. So on the Matic Ethereum chart, there is one significant thing that I would like to highlight here. So we actually made this zone. So this was a more or less of a consolidation phase, if we may put it that way. So we entered this zone for the first time in the week of 27th of April, and we consolidated in this zone for some time for about the 3rd of May. So this is the Matic Ethereum chart, mind you. Okay, this is not the dollar value, this is the Matic's value against Ethereum. So we actually held this zone from the 27th of April till about the 3rd of May, wherein we tried breaking above it for at least 3 times in this zone in that time period, and we treated this as a support quite a few number of times. Like here we treated this as a support, again here, and finally we broke below it, ultimately breaking below the 20 period moving average as well. Now again we entered this zone back in the 12th of May, and this time around we treated this as a resistance only once. So this is a 4-hour candle, so only one 4-hour candle treated this as a resistance, and the next ones have actually broken above it. Next thing to look out for is if we get a correction. So we are currently about, let's take a quick measurement, how much have we grown from these resistance areas. So we have grown about 30% or so. So if we get a 30% correction on Matic Ethereum chart, then the key support region would be this level of 33,496, or you can consider it as 33,500 as well. So this was on the 4 hours chart. Now let's go on to the weekly chart, and I want to show you very important something. We are on the Matic Ethereum weekly chart, and one of the things that we'd like to show you here is a bull flag. So if you have been following our channel, you would have realized till now that we love bull flags. So this is the bull flag that was getting formed right from the week of 15th of March, and we broke it in the week of 26th of April. What was our target? Let's take a quick measurement of our target. In order to get us the target, we need to measure the pole. So this is the pole of the flag, and we'll just place this pole on top of the breakout point. Do you see this? Our target was actually around 43,627 on the Ethereum chart. And where did we make the high? We made our high on 43,923. That means we hit the target to the T. That's why I say repeated number of times. I may lie, you may lie, but the charts will never lie. The charts always tell the truth. So you definitely need to follow the charts. The news that is coming out, that acts as a catalyst for the charts to move. So back on the daily chart, let's take a quick look on the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI, as we are saying, is pretty healthy for Matic Ethereum chart as well, we are in the zone below 80. It's currently at 76. This indicates that we have still a few room to grow. But a word of caution from our side would be that you should not FOMO into any coin. There would be multiple opportunities. If you want to get into Matic, wait for a correction. A correction will definitely be there. Wait for the correction and then get into any particular coin. So if you are new to cryptocurrencies, we made a video on top 10 mistakes to avoid on cryptocurrency while trading cryptocurrencies. You can click the icon above my head. You can actually view that video right now as well. So that's pretty much it about this video. Thank you for tuning in. This was a requested video from our community, so really appreciate you guys. Keep the comments coming in on the Telegram channel, and also do let us know how do you feel about the video. Your thoughts, or you want us to cover any other video, comment in this video below. And if you like the content, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you join our Telegram channel. That is where we have the maximum discussion on any other coin. So there are few coins that we might not be able to cover in our videos all the time, but definitely if you ask a question, either me or someone from the community will definitely help you with the answers on Telegram. So make sure you join that as well. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, share this video among your friends, give them the opportunity to get into Matic if they want, or just show them the potential of Matic as well. So that's pretty much it about this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.